And it depends on how you like your bacon. Today I'm going to be testing out the instant Vortex air fryer. It says bake, reheat, temp, time, roast, and air fry. And I will be using the air fryer. So I'm gonna press air fry. It's my first time doing it. I'll read the instructions, I know, right? Let's see, how do you change the time? Oh, how do you, oh, see? You can read instructions, but you know, people like me don't. I'm gonna put it on 9 minutes. The temp, maybe 350. I think I saw something online saying that. I'm going to put the bacon, just a few pieces of bacon in there. So I walked away for a few seconds and it cut off itself, which is pretty good. I walked away to get some tongs. Go ahead and do this again. Air fry. Time. In this thing. Temp 350. I'm going to put the bacon in there. Split the bacon up. Sorry, the light is washing the bacon out. You can lay them all pretty if you want to. I just really want to see how this thing works. Let's put it on air fry. Sorry, time. Okay, we're gonna do the temp at 350. Then we're gonna press start. Ooh. All right. It's on, right? Okay, it says it's on. I'll be back. All right, y'all hear it? Oh, I did it wrong. You have to cut it on. Then the machine tells you when to add the food. I know now. It's on 8 minutes now. I want to look at it. You guys want to look at it too? Let's see what's up. Oh, snap. I am going to try this out. It just told me to turn my food. Your food, and you're gonna tell me how to cook. You know what? I like to take these type of orders. If you're gonna cook my food, then you can tell me what to do, okay? 3 minutes in counting. I told me to turn my food at 4 minutes. At this point, it just depends on how you like your bacon, and then it depends on how you like your bacon. Oh my goodness! It's too bright. It's not even showing the perfection of the bacon. Hold on. I'm love. Keep on. 2 minutes left. 2 minutes left. I'm never cooking bacon on the stove again. The oven either. Let's do a countdown together because I don't want burnt bacon. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Because I don't know if it's gonna. Oh. All right. So it beeps. Does it cut off? Let the people know. Do you cut off? Do you cut off by yourself? Let the people know. Let the people know. Do you cut off by yourself? You do. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I don't promote much, but guys, get you one of these. It depends on how you like your bacon. Who created the air fryer? Bacon is delicious.